Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cute top, also bra, from a pillow cover. I made another video like this and so many people liked it, so I thought I should share more, how I DIY clothes and how I do DIY hairs and show you the possibility what actually is also possible for you. So now let's begin. You can try this Diwali, these cute tops. So I'm securing it over here with a safety pin. So right now I just made it very roughly because I wanted to show you the possibility, what is actually possible. You can use curtains and cut a piece from them, or you have old pillow covers, so you can unstitch them and make this, and from behind it looks like this. You can add your flavor, as you're watching me, you're definitely going to be, finding more ways to make it, and as you try this, God is going to open you up to more and more possibilities. I was always so conscious about my boobs. I was like, I don't like wearing bra, but I feel like, oh, my boobs are big, so I need to wear a bra and things like that. But God showed me the way. Now I don't even wear bra, but at the same time I have new ways of DIYing bra and DIYing tops. Now I'm gonna show you another way to make a bra but also a top, like bra come top. And also the body confidence to wear such clothes, short clothes, to wear clothes that yeah, earlier I would wear clothes which are very baggy because I didn't wanted to have anybody even the idea that I have boobs, because I was so conscious and underconfident around them because I grew up in those kind of environment. But we have to know that boobs are just we have a right, and there is no shame in beautifying your body. There is no shame. Just make sure that you're doing it in a aligned way for you, beautifying your body. Ask God. I was just praying to God, and then God showed me the way. In fact, God didn't tell me no, you gotta wear less clothes. In fact, God told me you gotta wear whatever your heart wants, So now let's begin, show you the another way. See, it's really pretty. Right now, in the center you have, look at this. In the center you can secure it with a pin, and now I'm going to show you another magic. So I have these white ribbons. By the way, all of my ribbons, like this ribbon and the ribbons that I'm wearing in my hair, all of them were DIY'd from my dresses and skirts, So what I do is from the bottom I just cut like get the small part stitched, or like small part cut and then stitched into a ribbon. So all of my ribbons are from there. Right now, wait. Right now I have this like really old curtain, so I will cut some ribbons from this as well. That's how I get my ribbon. Yeah. The another top. So you can try it very differently. You can put beads, you can put ribbons like this. I'm just showing you the possibility that you do not have to give into those thoughts like, oh, I don't have anything to wear, I need to keep buying more and more clothes. I love fashion, but what I also love is Mother Earth, and I do not want to do anything that harms her in any way. Of course, I do use plastic here and there. But I also try to do my best where I can, in order to keep the harmony on earth alive, So you can reuse this Diwali, just try different things, create something new from what you have, and there is always a way, like I always say in my videos, that there is a way, the aligned way, the way which is in the highest good of all. And when you ask God to show you the way, God will. Whatever you desire in your career, in your finances, in your love life, in your sex life, whatever you desire, there is a way for it, aligned way, a way which is in the highest good of all. When you pray for it, God will show you the way. Okay? If you would like to book a one-on-one session with me, link is in my description. Intuitive guidance session to invoke empathy, understanding, and love for yourself, and to feel. Maybe you're not comfortable with feeling your anger, so I will dive deep into it. Sometimes we cannot do it alone, but we can do it with somebody. If you have intense shame, I am here for you. We can take take it slow, and slowly you'll start to become more confident and more empowered version of you. Also, I have something so incredibly powerful, healing for you, which is going to completely transform the trajectory of your life and going to bring so much powerful and empowering energies, magical energies. And that is my magic paintings. When you keep my magic paintings around, so much of good energy starts to flow into your life. I have 4 magic paintings currently. Each one of them has certain frequency, like this: I am safe, I am supported. If you went through intense emotional abuse and you felt like, okay, I have nobody to talk to, you were very alone, and there was a lot of scarcity mindset, you felt very unsafe, because of the abuse that you were going through, this painting is going to bring that energy of deep love. It's going to set the foundation of self-love for you. It's incredibly powerful. The way I channeled in the same room that my mother had me for, like, my mother lived in for 9 months, and I could feel all the pain of the women in my lineage, my mother's side, all the shame and unself like low self-worth and unsafety that they were feeling, and then I alchemized it into this magic, painting. And so this painting is like gonna bring that alchemy for like it's gonna happen when you are living around that this painting, or when you are bringing it in your life, you can gift it to your loved ones. What a powerful gift to give to them. And also I have another painting which is I owe nothing to anybody, I'm love, I'm pure, and another one, taking a leap of faith on myself. These two paintings are going to be bringing that energy of unapologeticness, of solid self confidence. They are going to give you the energy to take a stand for yourself, to go towards whatever you want to create, be it in your love life, your money, your finances, your career. Like it will give you the energy, and solid energy of courage, compassion and confidence to go towards it. When I channel this painting, I'm unapologetic, I'm brave, like I'm free, I owe nothing to anybody. I made a solid leap in myself, in my life. My dog is like, just, oh, I love you. Wait, I love you, my baby, I love you. Let me give her some love. You're so amazing. I love you. You're an angel. God said angel, and I'm so incredibly grateful to have you in my life. Thank you for being here with me right now. Anyway, so when I channel this painting, like I'm unapologetic, I owe nothing to anybody. This painting brings a lot of unapologetic energy. So I moved to the town that I want to move in, and I'm the first girl in my family who has, who's 28, not married, wears what something different, following her passion. Everyone in my family got married between the age of 22 max. 18 to 22 maximum, and 22 is like my sister. Everyone else got married way earlier, and they did not have this freedom and all of that. When my father got to know that, I suddenly packed my bag and moved and all of that. It was like I was anyway living in college, but he thought I'm in college, but I moved somewhere else. I moved to Rishikesh, and I'm so glad I took that leap, and I could only took it because this painting did some magic. And then there is this another painting, taking a leap of faith on myself. This painting is gonna like throw you into like your passions, like wow, oh my god, everything. You feel like you don't have confidence, you don't have courage, you don't have like clarity and everything. It's gonna bring you that, okay, 100% guarantee. And then another painting, like this one, God's ease, God's peace, God's goodness, God's prosperity effortlessly flowing in every single area of my life. When I channeled this painting, I was going through, suddenly I was told by my landlord, like, hey, you gotta vacate the house. It was sudden, and I was like, and I live by myself, and I have a dog, and a lot of people don't allow dog and all of that. But I was channeling this painting, and I just said this prayer that God, it's you're gonna do it. I'm not going to stress out, I'm not going to like take any efforts, you have to do it. And then suddenly I received a landlord who really did not allow dogs, because I lived with at her house 2 years ago. But and also I did not like tell anybody that I am looking for my house. I did like let my someone like my in the neighborhood know, but then they know nothing, and they were not like someone who would like actually look for me. But then like my landlord, just she texted me like, hey, my house is empty, just in case you want to move. And so I told her like, I would love to move, but I have a dog. She's like, yeah, okay, immediately in 3 days. And every other thing happened. So when you bring this painting in your life, it's going to bring the energy of things happening so smoothly for you. Your material needs are going to be taken care of. And if you feel like, okay, I'm not worthy of love, I'm not worthy of connection, I'm not worthy of money, I'm not worthy of prosperity, you are, because it's coming from God. So there's going to be this ease in receiving, like, okay, I'm worthy of God's epic support, I'm worthy of God's prosperity, God's ease, God's love. So you're going to be able to receive it so beautifully, okay. And so yeah, I have these paintings. And otherwise also, if you want me to create a custom painting for you, magic painting for you, you can like contact me from my email. Just say like, hey Jyoti, I'm interested in, get a magic painting made from you, and I will take the conversation from there. And I have like these magic paintings on acrylic stands, small acrylic stands, bigger canvas paintings, and like bigger canvases, and also like smaller fridge magnets that you can put it on fridge if you have children around, and you can gift it to your relatives, your loved ones. And also like what else, I have like magical wall clock as well, clocks. So yeah, I will be link of everything is in my description. Thank you for being here. I love you. I'm here for you always.